drugs. It is very important. We are testing.
So I am saying you are.
काय करतोय रेंज नाही रे रेंज नाही रे सॉरी
What are the benefits which people will be provided?
Very good morning to all of you, and on behalf of RAJ BHAVAN, I welcome you all to this launch of Food for the Homeless program. Today is a new dimension to our activities to serve the people, the poor, the vulnerable, and the underprivileged. And we are very happy to work with the Director of Food and Administration, and also the Street Providence, which is an NGO which is providing shelter to all these poor and homeless people in a number of centers that we are running. It's a new concept, and we are so, Honorable Governor was very excited, and he said, let's get going. And therefore, within 2 days, we have organized this whole thing, and we are today launching this Food for Homeless program. And every week from now onwards, we will be providing food to 100 people from RAJ BHAVAN. In this regard, I would like to request our Director to please say a few words first.
Governor and Secretary Governor, we need this Street Providence team, Mr. Dana, and the trustee, Professor Pai, and all ladies and gentlemen. Sir, at the outset, I thank you very much for joining this initiative of a very noble cause which Food Safety and Standards Authority of India is propagating through its initiative of Save Food, Share Food. And their slogan is Save Food, Share Food and Share Joy. So this is mainly because we know that India is one of the largest producer of food. But at the same time, there is a large amount of hunger also there. Percentage of hungry people are more. So this FSSAI has started an initiative called Indian Food Sharing Alliance. So they are taking along with them all the partners. They can be in the form of partners, or they can be donors, or beneficiaries, or volunteers. They can register on this portal. Food Safety Standards Authority of India actually is the apex regulator for Food Safety and Standards Act. But it is also doing under its social and behavioral change programs. having this initiative of eat right, so that the people they maintain their health through their eating right habits, and also this initiative of sharing food. We know that there is a lot of food, but there is at the same time there is a wastage of food and then hunger crisis. To help save this, reduce this wastage and hunger, this initiative of FSSAI, they started this special portal, and as I said, of these people they can register on that. As of now, as I see from the portal, around 30 agencies partners have already registered, like Goemkarponn Foundation, Food Bank, and many others are there, like RISE, which is also international and having branch in India. So this initiative of this food is there, but it is not reaching the right people at the right time. So as Mahatma Gandhi has said, the best way to find oneself is to lose yourself in the service of others, and the street providence exactly is doing the same thing by providing this food to the underprivileged. So I'm very happy that street providence has registered with the our department, Directorate of Food and Drugs Administration, and is now in the process of registering on the food safety portal of FSSAI for this safe food and share food. And now that I come to know that Professor Pai is also involved in this initiative of sharing food, so I request him also to register with the FDA and also on the portal of FSSAI. I take this opportunity to create awareness. This program of yours will create a great awareness among all the food business operators and the corporates, and I urge them to all come forward and join this initiative. So thank you once again for organizing this program. Thank you.
Thank you, madam. I would just request Mr. Donald of the Street Providence to say a few words.
Good afternoon, sir. As part of the food bank for the last 5 years, we have been feeding 1,000 people across Goa. And pre-COVID, we had 38 fridges in different parts of Goa where we used to feed about 5,000 people. Now, post-COVID, we have restarted again, and we thank the Honorable Governor for supporting our food bank by donating 100 fresh meals every week for the homeless in our homes. We not only run food banks, we also run shelter homes across Goa, which most of you must be aware of. And we would like to thank Madam that they have come up with a new project and where people can log into the system, and if the system goes well with us, we think that we can do 1 lakh meals a day in Goa once the system and we both get together. So I thank the Honorable Governor for taking this initiative of supporting us. I thank the Secretary for giving us this opportunity, and let's hope we can feed more people. Thank you.
I would request Honorable Governor to hand over the first packets of food to the Street Providence.
Food should be visible.
What should be visible?
So, the background stability is there.
Yeah.
So
Thank you very much.
Only 1 minute. You work. So, why?
You also don't. Only we are helping, yes. A word from you.
So the RAJ BHAVAN has already introduced many schemes for the betterment of the people. My yatra also covered about 100 villages. Yesterday also I visited village, and this year's entire governor's discretionary fund being used for downtrodden people, poor people, and the issue the amount to patients, their patients also. That scheme was a grand successful, and we want to expand this base to the other field as well. And I think this is also a step towards helping the poor people. We will go on with that, and soliciting the cordial relation by the press people, the public. And further, I hope within 1 year of my term, I will be able to visit all the villages. And I want to write a book on villages also. More than 400 villages are there. Already covered 100 villages yesterday also. So, very beautiful villages, and people are also prepared to sacrifice for this. And in such a way, our RAJ BHAVAN scheme, of course, first time in the history of our country, we will be able to do that. This is also a food providing. Also, now 100 food packets in a week. If fund is available, our RAJ BHAVAN, our secretary and others will try to increase it, and wish you all the best for this moment.
What are the old audiences are? Yeah. Others also many. Sir. Graduate photograph. Yeah. Send a copy to them. Yeah. Okay. Thank you.